am going to be doing an unboxing and first impressions of my Ipsy Plus box. I do get both a Plus and an Ipsy bag, and typically there are variations in there, but it can be somewhat similar on the smaller items or the add-ons. So I'm going to start with the products that I did have success with or that I loved. So one of the ones that I liked a lot so far is the Perlice Blue Lotus. This is a daily moisturizer. I did use it at night the first time because I didn't think about the SPF, but then I used it on a day for the rest of the time. It is just a light lotiony feel. So it has like, I mean, it's really not a strong scent at all. It is a floral scent, but not like roses, because if I get one more product with roses in it, I'm probably gonna just jump out of my skin. I am so tired of the scent rose. I did receive the Farrah, and this is the Show Me Your Magic set. It is 5 pieces. I used these today for my makeup look, and they did fantastic for what they were working with. I'll tell you more about that in a second. So, what didn't work for me? And I'm going to do my add-ons last. So one thing that didn't work for me is the Hava Hydration Cream Mask. It does say to leave on 3 to 5 minutes, or if wanted, overnight. I did attempt to leave it on overnight, and literally I felt like I had a mask on my face, but not a comfortable one. It did not ever dry down. It did not ever soak into my skin, and I felt like it had no additional benefits if nothing was soaking in. So I did wash it off. I am going to keep trying this and see. Their hand lotion's really good. I do have political issues with this company because of where they're located. However, it was in a box. I'm not going to not use something that was sent to me. The next thing that I have is the Dream Big by Tarte. This is something that I did not have luck with as well. I want to show you so the inside does look like this, and I did attempt to do a gradient look. So I did this across my whole eyelid, and then I did dark, darker, dark, or lighter, and then I did a shimmer. However, like, it just muddied no matter what I did. Now I have a Tarte pineapple collection one that literally I use almost every day. It is amazing. It blends perfect. I never have an issue. And this one, no matter what I did, just turned to gook. I washed it off twice, finally gave up and just said, let's go with it and show exactly what was created. I am going to insert pictures of this in the next product so you can see kind of what I'm talking about. So the next thing that did not work for me is the Bye Bye Foundation, the Full Coverage Moisturizer SPF 50. This is by It Cosmetics. I actually have the CC cream in the illumination and the regular one. I don't have the matte because I do have dry skin. However, I love it. This for me was an utter failure the first time, and again, this is a first impression. I did receive it and moisturized my face lightly earlier, like prior, and then when I went to do it, I put it on like I would a foundation. I did use my sponge, put it all over. It looks really good. So I waited like 10 minutes, hand full of color. Waited 20 minutes, waited 30 minutes. Finally, it's 45 minutes after, and it's still not setting down at all. And there was no way I could have used powder products over it. So I did take my Too Faced Peach Perfect Powder and attempt to do something with it. The minute the powder touched this product, it all separated. Like, I don't know if it's picking up on camera, but I am going to insert pictures. It is crazy how fast it separated. And I tried, before I powdered, I also tried my Milk Makeup setting spray. Like, nothing would set this down. So I like cream products, but I never do a full face of cream products. However, I'm going to try it with this and see if that's what it needs, and then maybe a setting spray or something over it would work. Maybe a stronger one like the All Nighter from Urban Decay, and see if I can get that to work. I don't like to have transfer at all. When I have that, I am just icky with my makeup all day, so that will not work. So my 3 add-ons were Pixie by Petra Blush, and I don't know if it's going to pick up on camera, but it is broken. It is like literally dust in there, like you can hear it. So I have a replacement coming, however I could not use this in my look today. The other thing that I have is the Belief Moisturizing Eye Balm. I love these. I think they're fantastic. I do plan on purchasing the full size. However, eye cream lasts me like forever. So to get $3 for, you know, a month or 2 or more of eye cream, I'm good. That works for me. And then the last thing that I did purchase is by Miss Glam, and this, I do purchase her brushes every single time they come available on Ipsy because I love them. I have 2 full-size sets, like the powder brush, the contour, and things like that, and then I have a ton of different eye brushes that I have received. So this was my Ipsy Plus. I have to say, I'm pretty disappointed with this. I don't consider like my brushes or things that I received, the Farrah brushes I'm referring to, I don't consider those part of the value necessarily because I don't need any more brushes now. Am I a total brush bleep? Yes, I am. But I don't need them. So really the only thing that was part of the original box that I feel like I have any value with is this Perlice, and that's still honestly being decided. So I'm not super happy with this box. I have to say it's probably one of the most disappointing ones I've received so far of any of the brands. But I have to say it's not Ipsy's fault because it's a preference. These items might work great for you and not work for me or vice versa. So I'm not mad at it necessarily, but it does suck when you get off months and things like that. If you get this box, were you happy with this month? Did it work for you? What was your tips? You know, I'd love to hear more. I don't feel like I need to cancel it over this. However, I do want to monitor some of the spoilers and see if maybe go to every other month or things like that if it continues to be like that. But one bad month it happens with boxes and I'm not super worried about it. If you've made it this long, I hope you will click the subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications. I do hope that you'll come back and see me soon. And we do upload every Sunday, Tuesday, and Friday. And I hope you have a great day.